Shwmae, Gita Williams o Byw'n Iach sydd yma. Cyngor yr wythnos, ar gyfer wythnos yma. Ydy gen i 2 cyngor bach. Un, da ni ddim yn siŵr am bam o hir fydden ni yn y sefyllfa yma. Ddim yn gwybod pryd gwyn ni fynd nôl i normalrwydd. Felly lle bod ni mewn dan hwn fel cyfnod hir ofnadwy, trio torri fel awr mewn i diwrnod wrth diwrnod. Mae hwnna'n weld i fod bach yn haws ac yn ail. Trio bita bwyd ar gyfer cryfhau ein immuniaeth ein corff, sef bita gymaint o phosib o ffrwytha, llysiau, gall fod wedi'r hewi neu mewn tin, maen nhw gyd yn cyfri. Efo digon o ddŵr i helpu, a hefyd mae vitamin D yn bwysig ar hyn o bryd, mae'n hael allan, felly mae'n helpu yn ofnadwy. Os nad ydych chi'n cael y cyfle i fynd allan mor aml i'r hael, cymryd vitamin D trwy tabledi trwy ryw supplement. Okay? Cadwch yn saff a gwelwch chi'n fian bob hwyl. Hi, it's Gita Williams from Byw'n Iach here once again. This week's tip of the week is I've got 2 small tips. Firstly, we're still not sure for how long we're going to be here in lockdown. So rather thinking of this as a long stretch, try and break it down to day by day, because each day is going to be very different. So think of it as a day by day. And secondly, try and eat food that's going to strengthen our immune system. That means plenty of fruits and vegetables. It can be either tinned or frozen, both count. Also plenty of water. And the last but not least, vitamin D, which is obviously the sun. It's out now, so try and go outdoors as much as possible. If you cannot do that, then take it as a supplement form. Keep safe and see you soon.